Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. 60 word per minute English dictation. Ready? Start. He gives them a lecture on some general subject. Full stop. He is very friendly with the students, comma, though he is a great disciplinarian also. Full stop. He never punishes the students but makes them feel ashamed if they have done something wrong. Full stop. He commands love and respect without being strict. Full stop. He keeps a keen eye on the activities of the students. Full stop. Only the other day, comma, he happened to hear a student abusing a man in a vulgar way, comma, in the bazaar. Full stop. The next day, comma, he called him and warned him against this bad habit. Full stop. He knows not only where a student stands in studies, comma, but also where a student stands in character and behavior. Full stop. He is ready to help the students both in and out of the class. Full stop. His help is not limited to studies. Full stop. He helps the students in their private problems also. Full stop. Students have so much confidence in him that they would tell even their most secret things to him and seek his guidance. Full stop. I wish there were more teachers like our physics teacher. Full stop. I pray his success in every field of life. Full stop. Stop.